Hi, this is Sarah from Aligned with Sarah. This month, our piece of wellness that we're focusing on is consumption. I just put up Let's Talk Tuesday. I did last Let's Talk Tuesday last night. That's up on the YouTube channel under the tab for live. And it was one of the longer ones. It was a full half hour, but it went into kind of talking about this like overall thought process that has come together for this piece of wellness. So I hope you can take some time and check that out. So today I want to talk about consuming success, which is my focus for today for today. And I feel like moving forward, I feel like it's not just one of those things where I feel like I need to heal this. I feel like I need to really learn this consuming success. So in each of my moments for today where I have a moment, I'm really pulling in that thought of, is this fear or is this love? Okay, so fear or love, and making sure that I'm arriving in love to evaluate and to, I guess, kind of grow, move away from, move towards, a path that I want to be on. And I want to be on this path of of success. So in looking around, I'm noticing the things that are coming into my day, including like last night, hearing some wonderful news from my friend who has some new goals for 2023. And, she's already lost 3 pounds. And it's just so wonderful to feel like her success is she's offering that into my life. And that is a form of consuming success. The parents out there, like I'm one of them, I've made the successful piece, made it through the holidays, made it through the school break, made it through everybody getting back into the routine of school yesterday. All of those things are successes. Made it through um, arriving at my desk this morning and honestly not knowing where to start, but focusing on, what, I need some success. I'm going to be consuming success. So I got rid of or got done with some little things, which is definitely my way of um, like when I feel overwhelmed, I just do something. And sometimes it is, somebody laughed when I said this as an example, but sometimes it's just this effort of like, all right, I'm going to put this paper clip away into this spot. And that little piece of something, then it's just, looking for another small thing or just getting in the mood of, um, the cascade of progress that comes for me. I don't know. It's just my own thing. I need to just anything, just start anywhere, um, and get something flowing, and more will flow. And I guess that's kind of the same concept with this consuming success, really looking for it and noticing it arriving in these places in my life that are on the outside, these other people's successes. When I celebrate them, I'm also consuming them. And what happens when that's happening is it's really shifting my gears into gratitude, shifting my gears into noticing success. The brainwave activity, the whole vibration of the body. I think people have become familiar on some level of that law of attraction. But it's more than I think what people think. They like write a fake check to themselves for $1 million and then, just leave it somewhere. Um, versus learning about what it takes to make $1 million, setting money aside, noticing the budget, noticing what your talents are, noticing how to market them, noticing how to um, bring that in and celebrate that, meeting people that are millionaires, talking to them um, about when you are going to become a millionaire, how you're on your way to becoming a millionaire. There's a lot of little pieces that add up together for that law of attraction. And getting back to this focus of consuming success, adding those into adding more pieces into that to change my vibration, to really be noticing and celebrating and being part of success, whether, it's my own big success or someone else's big success, my own small success or someone else's small success. It really shifts gears and awareness, and it moves us into gratitude, and it moves us away from maybe some of these efforts that we just take for granted, where we're not really noticing all of our successes during the day. Where, I've already done the dishes once, which means I've already emptied the dish thing, I've already cleaned the dish thing, I've done the dishes, I've cleaned the sink, and of course it's filled up again. But uh, those successes are what I can focus on. Maybe, and I could even just turn, like, why is the sink full? The sink is full because I've done some cooking already. That is a success. Focusing on what's happening, what gears are turning, what efforts, we're constantly putting out some sort of effort all the time. And when we notice what we are succeeding at, what we're doing, what we're creating in those moments, um, those are successes, even if they don't, they're not like, it's not the sale that makes you the millionaire, but it's all those that add up. The first one is probably more important uh, to moving you into like that success cycle than that last one that tips the scale. So all those efforts are important. And the other thing that this does, celebrating other people's successes, like I said, it moves us towards gratitude, and it shifts us away from maybe these feelings of being taken advantage of, or taken for granted, the efforts that we put out there. And it also has this ability of like shortening that bridge of jealousy. I love that analogy of that experience of jealousy as a bridge. And it's this bridge to where we want, what we want, where we want to go, who we want to be, that success that we want. That's what's on the other side of that bridge of jealousy. And so if we just recognize that, that's what I want. I'm going to ask for whatever this feeling I expect to be happening on the other side of this bridge of jealousy. That's what I want to be asking for. That's what I want. And more than likely, there's more than $1 million out there. We all know that. And it's, that person's success can teach me how I can get that, how I can get that. And once I start saying, it's not like I have to take yours away. It's just, I know that I want that too. I want this feeling of relief. I want this feeling of flow. I want this feeling of whatever it would be, that goes along with whatever's on the other side of the bridge. And today I'm mentioning the, that concept of that money flow and that goal of $1 million. So, okay, so that's it. I already talked about the vibration thing and truly resonating with that, and creating that law of attraction of what it is that you want, asking for that, vibrating with it, celebrating however it comes into your life, and having those words that are positive and saying, this is what I want, this is what I'm going for, and connecting to success. And I have some other notes about that for my own, changing my vibration with that and aligning with that, the best self that I can possibly project for success. Um, Making sure things are defined and making sure that you have those positive emotions and experiences attached to it. So, longer video. Thanks for being here. And I will talk to you real soon. Please let me know how this information settles with you, what successes you have had today, or something that you constantly celebrate, or something that has come to you from someone else where you really feel like you want to celebrate that for them. And I will talk to you again really soon.